We are in the thick of flu season in South Texas, and there's no drop-off in sight.
Metro Health confirming one flu-related pediatric death in Bexar County. As Dylan Collier reports, fears of the flu are taxing area emergency rooms.
She's been feeling hot, so I came up here to see if she was okay.
LaQuisha Johnson and her 3-year-old daughter, Majoli, were far from the only people today waiting at the Children's Hospital of San Antonio. Chief pediatrician Dr. Mark Gilger says its intensive care unit is at capacity, and emergency room visits here are up as much as 25% so far this year. University hospital officials say the rush of people in their ER is, quote, unabated. The driving force, the flu.
Way beyond normal expectations for the past 2 months.
Gilger offered some guidance on how to cut down on passing the virus from person to person.
When you cough into the elbow, not on your hands. If you do cough into your hands, keep your hands clean.
With flu season expected to last until May, it's also not too late to get a flu shot. And if you or a loved one show symptoms like the chills, fatigue, or body aches, seek medical attention.
I've heard that this is deadly. You know, she can die from this, so it's scary.
And concerns so high that Children's Hospital San Antonio actually had these masks available for people waiting in their ER. Flu is not a reportable disease, so Metro Health does not have figures on how many people have died here in Bexar County so far during this flu season. Dylan Collier, KSAT 12 News.